welcome to Home Economics. I've gotten a different camera holder because the previous one, it kept falling over and then I cussed and I have to delete the video. Okay, so the purple string, or the bottom string, and the top string comes straight out the back, about 6 inches. Cut it off. All right, so then I started another project and it goes, I folded it over the way I wanted it. Okay, so I had it all set up and then I started rock chair, come here. And then I just kind of slid it in there where I want to start, foot down. That lever's in the back. And where's the pedal? Okay. Gently. And we're folding over. Oh yeah. I forgot I wanted that to be sort of kind of in between where I started. There. I want that to be a little farther up. Okay. You should like fold your sewing projects before you start, but I got 2. Okay. God, the fuck just happened? The thread just broke. It did sew up until that point though, so the thread broke. Okay, so that goes in the back. We're just gonna cut that off real close because I don't even care right now. What the heck happened, man? Fuck. Okay. It like unthreaded itself again. I'm grabbing it and then I'm just kind of spinning this so I can find the end. Baby, come back. Come back to me. There's the end. Wah, 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 wah. Number 1, and 2, and 3. And uh-oh. Let's see. Let's crank that. Where's that part? There's the hook. Around the hook. Now let's give it a little bit of give so it'll actually go through the hole. Go through the hole. This is why we delete every other video. Can't get it to go through the hole. Oh. We go back to the sink and we get the fingers wet. I'm gonna get some lube. You have to lube it up a little bit, baby. Yeah. I'll be gentle, I promise. Haha, that joke was only funny the first time. Fucking quit sticking, go. Man, I hate my life right now. Like, I really. Every time I gotta make another video. This is 90% of using a get the fucking not cussing in front of your children while you use a sewing machine. Oh my god. Success! Success! Pull it back like 6 inches, okay. Boing! Alright, make sure it goes through there. Okay. Where did we leave off? Right here. Okay, sliding to about yonder. There. Oops. Now, this is a common blender. I snapped them both in there, so you don't want to do that because then you'll sew your sleeves shut, or your shorts shut in this case. This is a pair of shorts. Okay, so you cut the shorts off at the bottom, and you fold the hem over. Yeah, pedal to the metal, bitches. Let's go. All right. And we're chilling, yeah. It'll kind of just drag itself through. I'm gonna square that out. Yeah, so it's kind of boring from here. Sewing machine works, you know. It is kind of boring. actually go slower than that, but I just feel like going fast. But yeah, you want to pull on that and make sure you stretch that, stretch those threads out. Okay, so we started right here, so I'm going to kind of just go back that way, whoop, and then cranky up. If that needle's up, it should come straight back. And mine always catches, so I always have to wiggle it. Okay, and pull it 6 inches all the way back and then cut, okay? Oh my God. And that's where it cut me off the last time. Good luck, guys. Oh yeah, and then you want to double knot the end of your seam. Okay. And that keeps your seams from coming unraveled. But other than that,